I wanted to share with you a few pages of the theory book. On page 7 in Unit 2, students are reinforcing their finger numbers. Here's Papa Haydn with a little boy, and the student has to think about whether they are looking at their left hand or their right hand, and then write in and circle the correct finger. So that's fun. On Unit 3, students are learning the half note for the first time. Students are asked to say lyrics in rhythm like this one. Who likes dogs? Well, I do. Who likes cats? Well, I do. I like for students to internalize rhythm by saying these wonderful little limericks because they certainly have a very nice phrase shape to them, and students can really understand the difference between the quarter note and the half notes. Let's see. Okay, so now let's take a look at Unit 3 in the Lesson and Technique book on page 15. As I said before, students are learning the half note for the very first time with a wonderful little limerick called Tapping Feet. So let's go ahead and do this. We ask the students to clap and count out loud, and then after they clap and count out loud, why don't we have them clap and say the words? Dance about with tapping feet, step in time to feel the beat. And you can certainly have your students point to each note and either count out loud or say the words. Let's make sure that for every note, they get their full value. So when we get to a half note, we have to make sure they count 1, 2, and not 1, 2, and drop the second beat. Okay, so now let's take a look at page 16. Oh my goodness, Kitten in the Tree. Here the students are circling the 2 half notes that they see in this piece. Students are learning repeated notes in this piece, and the musicality girl reminds them of that. Where else do you play repeated notes? After you see them in the very first group of notes. And did you notice your 4 little hills on each hand? On the next page, students learn what a melody is. Of course, a melody is a string of notes that make a tune. And melody is what we sing or hum. We can ask our students, do you have a favorite melody? Lots of times, students will say this. Lovely Beethoven. So in this particular piece, we want our students to, again, review the group of 3 black keys and the fingerings of 4, 3, 2. And in this piece, we ask our students to check for strong fingers with no dents, and they need to feel like they release their wrists. I will tell you one way that I get students to have nice, strong fingers is I'll say, let's do a tiger pounce. So close the fall board, have them pounce on the fall board as if they're a tiger, and then have them see that letter C, the 4 little hills on their hand, and have them release their wrists. Sometimes they are so tight they won't be able to release it, but if we do this week after week, they'll be able to be more flexible. And then you can go ahead and say, let's see how strong your tiger is. And then you can press into the first knuckle joint, and then the second knuckle joint, and little by little, these will get stronger and stronger. One of my students said, oh, I love this piece. I played it so much this week. And her mother said, yeah, I think she played it about 1,000 times this week. Now we're on to Unit 4.